Live shots coming in from the Vasudev Ghat on the banks of River Yamuna, and invoking the blessings of Ma Yamuna, we have the entire Delhi cabinet. They just sworn in this afternoon, and Rekha Gupta, the newly elected Chief Minister of Delhi, Parvesh Verma and Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Baijan Panda, who was in charge for Delhi elections. We see Vijender Gupta as well, Viren Sachdeva. Everybody there as the priests are chanting the mantras and performing the Achman, doing the Aarti. This is a Yamuna Aarti. And remember, ever since Delhi has won the BJP has won the elections, we see that the BJP has started work in the Yamuna River, the cleaning work, and also the Yamuna Aarti has begun at the Kashmiri Gate Ghat. We see live visuals coming in from the Vasudev Ghat. This is along the river Yamuna in Delhi, and we see the entire Delhi cabinet there at attending the Yamuna Aarti. Kapil Mishra, Pankaj Kumar Singh, Ravindra Indaj and Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Ashish Sood, Parvez Sahib Singh, all there attending the evening Aarti. My colleague Piyush Ori is live from the Vasudev Ghat. Piyush, we also understand that there is going to be a cabinet meeting also, but it is a big message that has been sent out right as she assumes office on day one as the Chief Minister. The entire cabinet at Yamuna Ghat attending the Aarti.
So you rightly mentioned, Rakshita, a big message is being sent across by Rekha Gupta and her team, in which now they are conducting an evening
Seems to have a problem with the network there at the Ghats, the Yamuna Ghat, but you have visuals coming in, viewers. Rekha Gupta and Parvesh Verma, all the other ministers and the top leadership, in fact, many of the BJP leaders, especially of the Delhi unit, all have gathered there today, and they will also be assessing the Yamuna cleanliness drive at Yamuna, and this is a big message being sent out. Of course, the message of faith. My colleague Riyanka is joining us live from Delhi. Riyanka, a big message being sent out right on day one. Message of faith, also message of duty.
Absolutely, Rakshita. Remember, in fact, days ahead of the formation of the BJP government in Delhi, a large-scale effort to clean the heavily polluted Yamuna had in fact commenced back on Sunday. In fact, the initiative, which was guided by a four-pronged strategy, aimed to restore the river within 3 years. So that is also a very, very important message that has been set by the BJP. It was a key election promise that the BJP had made to clean up the Yamuna. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party government, especially Arvind Kejriwal, was heavily criticized and completely cornered for his promises that he had made that he would clean the Yamuna. And 10 years of the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, we could see that there was no results, only promises were made. And cleaning the Yamuna was a major pledge in the BJP's election manifesto. We all know the party had in fact assured the voters that its government in Delhi would in fact bring in the central government to develop a modern riverfront and establish a Yamuna Kosh, a dedicated fund for the river's restoration. So restoration of the river Yamuna is also one of the very key agendas of the BJP. And today, soon after the oath ceremony, after Rekha Gupta assumed the charge of the Chief Minister of the national capital, along with all the ministers who had taken oath with her, all of them had in fact reached the Yamuna Ghat, and they took stock of the situation. The Yamuna Aarti also, which is of course taking place. And we know that Prime Minister Modi has been reiterating his commitment to make the Yamuna pollution-free. That is something he had in fact spoken about during the BJP's victory celebrations that happened post the results on 8th of February. And there have been many strategies that have been in fact put in place by the Delhi government to clean the Yamuna. It is the first agenda which has been said by the BJP. It is a message that is going across to the people that they have voted in fact the BJP, and this is going to be not something that they will be keeping in a back seat, but in the front row of cleaning the Yamuna. In fact, we are getting all these visuals on our screens. Remember, there was an immediate action plan on cleanup of the Yamuna, which was directed by LG VK Saxena with the senior officials previously. There were several strategies and points that were kept in consideration. There was a huge drive of cleaning of the Yamuna. So yes, we know that the BJP is setting the tone very, very straight that cleaning of the Yamuna, cleaning the trash and the accumulated sludge from the Yamuna and the major drains will also be done very, very quickly. In fact, the sewage treatment is also another very crucial point. This is one of the first step that the BJP government in the national capital has taken to take a stock of Yamuna and to give the river Yamuna its due respect that it deserves. In fact, there has been several coordination in the past as well, interdepartmental coordination. The LG had in fact put out several strategies that included ensuring seamless collaboration among agencies such as the Delhi Jal Board, the MCD, the Irrigation and Flood Control Department, the PWD and the DDA. With the help of all these agencies, the cleaning of Yamuna will be successful, and in the span of 3 years, what we are getting to know that the cleanup process will be coming into a major success, and there will be a regulatory oversight that will be happening. There will be a strengthening enforcement by the Delhi Pollution Control Committee to prevent industries from discharging the untreated effluents into the city drains. So yes, of course, it is going to be a very, very big message, as you rightly mentioned. Past river Yamuna cleanup efforts by the Aam Aadmi Party government, which had assumed the office back in 2015, they had pledged to rejuvenate the river Yamuna within 5 years. Despite their commitment, the river remained heavily polluted a decade later. So yes, the BJP moving forward, the Chief Minister along with the Council of Ministers are there, and they are setting the tone very, very strong that Yamuna will be cleaned.
I think that was a fantastic understanding of what's happening at Vasudev Ghat. Riyanka, I want you to continue staying with us, giving us more details, as Delhi Minister Pravesh Verma has offered prayers at Yamuna Ghat. We saw all Delhi ministers offer prayers at Yamuna Ghat, and the symbolism of what the Prime Minister has stated. 27 years, Yamuna has not been cleaned. The Prime Minister had stated this would be a key goal. We're seeing this come into action. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta also performs the Aarti. Shapath done. The work is now beginning. They're performing the puja. It's very, very clear, like you've stated, the Yamuna cleaning process will be underway now. Riyanka.
Absolutely. The restoration plan of Yamuna is also one of the very key focuses of the Viksit Delhi Sankalp Patra. That is something that is one of the very, very key highlight of the BJP that constantly brought up the fact that develop Delhi is the resolution. To develop Delhi, especially cleaning of the Yamuna, is the motto, is the resolution of the Bharatiya Janata Party. It outlined a detailed action plan for the Yamuna's revival. It is very, very important. We know that there have been concerns about the water pollution in the national capital. People have been tired of the Aam Aadmi Party's promises of cleaning the Yamuna. Yamuna was one of the biggest poll pulse that we could understand when we were, reporting from the ground on the election day. People said that they wanted a change. They wanted the Yamuna to be clean. They wanted pollution to be, removed completely. And that is something that the BJP is, of course, keeping in mind and setting a, message straight to the Aam Aadmi Party as well, that look, we have made Yamuna our first agenda on the first day, within hours of assuming the charge. Within hours this has happened. At around 12:30 noon of this afternoon, we had seen the Delhi Chief Minister assuming charge, and nearly 5-6 hours later, after several meetings, after signing of the documents, the first thing they do is they go ahead and they perform aarti at the Yamuna Ghat, at the Vasudev Ghat. So that is, of course, one of the major setting of tone which is being done by the BJP. Everybody is looking. The entire Delhi is who have in fact voted for the BJP to come to power are assured by the party that it is
In fact,
not going to
Priyanka,
let
like
the
you're
people down.
saying, and I want you to stay on with us, the Delhi Chief Minister and others, as we're staying with those visuals, the newly sworn in ministers.
पीछे आ जाओ यार, पीछे आ जाओ इधर। रिपब्लिक पीछे आओ इधर यार, इनको बैठाओ सबको यार। मैडम पीछे आ जाओ, पीछे आओ, पीछे आ जाओ यार। जूते पहन के जा रहे हो आरती के पास? जी जूते नहीं होने चाहिए आरती के पास। अरे हटाओ ना इनको यार।
देखिए, यमुना की साफ सफाई को लेकर महत्वपूर्ण आदेश या फिर निर्धारित बजट की भी बात हो रही है। तमाम लोगों के मन में सवाल है, तो अभी कहना जल्दबाजी होगा, लेकिन इतना जरूर है जवाब मिला सरकारी से बाकी है। तो फिलहाल तैयार होगी कि अगले 1 महीने में क्या काम करना है, लेकिन यमुना की साफ सफाई एक मेन एजेंडा है। इसको लेकर सिर्फ बयानबाजी नहीं, इसको लेकर सिर्फ नारेबाजी नहीं।
And the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, after the first cabinet meeting, newly sworn in Delhi BJP government arrives at Yamuna Ghat. It's very clear that this is a promise that the BJP intends to keep. 27 years after this return, it's also going to be the revival of the Yamuna, the cleaning of the Yamuna has been the BJP's top poll promise. We've seen the Lieutenant Governor start the project, the machinery deployed near the banks. Delhi Chief Minister now offers prayers after that Aarti at the Yamuna Ghat. And as I want to go across to Riyanka, like you said, this is extremely critical to understand that this is not only about the cleaning up of the Yamuna, but a poll promise that had been dismissed by the Aam Aadmi Party and by other parties. And the symbolism of it, the promise, the determination, and the sheer resolve that the BJP comes with after the Prime Minister had promised that the Yamuna cleanup will happen.
Of the Prime Minister since the very start. He had made it very, very clear that Yamuna will be cleaned as the BJP government will be chosen in the national capital, and that is exactly something which has been turned into reality. You can see the newly elected, the Delhi government, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, there is all the other ministers of the Delhi cabinet, Parvesh Verma, Manjinder Sirsa, all these leaders have been standing there with their hands joined, praying to the river Yamuna. And, you know, this is also a show of faith that is going to be kept in mind. It is not just cleaning the Yamuna, but also, the number of people having faith with the rivers in our country, be it Ma Ganga, be it river Yamuna. It is also linked to the faith of the people, which has also been kept in mind by the BJP very, very clearly. So yes, agenda there, very straight tone has been set that we will not be backing down and we will not be keeping our promises at the back seat. We will be fulfilling our promises that we had made. Rekha Gupta has come out. The plan of action has been there. There have already been 5 targets in that have been set.
पादयारविन्दे भवं भवामि महितं नमामि आत्मत्येजं पूजं भावनं देवोपरि अग्रमं रुच्याणां देवं भवति सभी हाथ जोड़ी प्रार्थना करेंगे भगवती से ओम विग्रहंताय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् देवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात् महालक्ष्मी विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् अये गिरिन्दे